And then if we are connecting ductwork to it, we need to use an approved breakaway connection. So I mentioned that sleeve, damper sleeve can only come so far out of the wall before we have to make a connection, and that's because we have to pass one of these tests. If I can get the video to play here. So this is a UL-555 Duct Impact Test. Essentially, the whole reason you have to use these breakaway connections and connect the ductwork to the damper, terminate the ductwork at the damper. If you have a fire on a floor above you, you start having falling debris, something like that. If something falls and impacts your ductwork that's attached to your damper, you don't want that damper to be compromised. You still want that damper to remain installed in the wall and provide fire and smoke protection if necessary, and maintain the fire resistance rating of the construction it's installed into. So we have to do this super awesome test where we take a 55-gallon drum, fill it with 400 pounds of sand, raise it 10 feet above the damper. It's so funny because you're measuring like this string with a calibrated tape measure 10 feet, and then you're just taping it to the bottom of this barrel and dropping it on the duct and just kind of watching the carnage. But ultimately, again, we're testing to make sure that the installation method is sound, so the damper doesn't come ripping out of the wall, no screws come ripping out, the installation has not been compromised, and the operation of the damper has not been compromised. So that's the purpose of the test. Again, if you do have a catastrophic event, you want these products to remain, provide the purpose of their protection.